This is very shocking, a shocking diplomatic embarrassment, as it's South Sudan. The country embassy in Nairobi, Kenya has been locked by the landlord after months of unpaid rent, leaving staff stranded and operations suspended. Multiple embassy employees confirmed that the landlord sealed off the compound last Friday, saying rent hadn't been paid for nearly a year. The monthly payment, according to one official, was about $9,000, a cost the government in Juba failed to cover. One embassy staff member explained that the landlord come and lock the building. We cannot enter. Everything is closed until Juba decide to pay. The closure has sparked outrage among South Sudanese citizens living in Kenya, many calling it a national humiliation. They argue that it shows how far financial mismanagement and neglect have reached in the country's foreign affairs. The ambassador to Kenya, Anthony Loscon, is said to be currently in Juba, and his office has not issued an official statement yet. Civil society leaders back home are demanding an urgent solution. Edmund Yakani, the executive director of the CAPO, described the situation as disheartening and embarrassing, stressing that Kenya is one of South Sudan's key regional partners. He said maintaining an active diplomatic presence in Nairobi is vital. Our government must move quickly to solve this issue before it damages our image further. The Minister of Foreign Affairs has remained silent so far. However, spokesperson Apuk Ayuel had earlier announced in September that the ministry was planning to reduce the staff members, to reduce the number in embassies and consulates worldwide as part of cost-cutting measure ordered by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. She explained that the move was meant to lessen the financial pressure on South Sudan's struggling economy. But critics said the embassy closure is a symptom of a much bigger problem: the government chronic cash shortage caused by corruption, oil dependency, and weak institutions. South Sudan still depends on oil for over 90% of its income, and after a year of civil war, the treasury has nearly run dry. Many diplomats abroad have reportedly gone months without receiving salaries, while basic operational expenses remain unpaid. The Nairobi embassy shutdown now raises a painful question: how can South Sudan manage its international relations if it can't even keep its embassies open? For now, the embassy gates in Nairobi remain locked, and staff wait hopelessly for Juba to act. This situation not only damages the country's reputation, but also weakens its diplomatic influence in the region. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.